Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Lee doing blending lesson again. Today we're going to do a review blending lesson of the previous lesson, and we're blending words with syllable pattern CV. We're going to focus a lot on syllables, and I want you to pay attention to how many syllables in each of the words that we're blending. So let's start with the beginning. We have be, below. Clearly, below. Two syllables. Behind, 2 syllables. Beside, 2 syllables. Beside. So, 1 syllable. Sofa, 2 syllables. So, as we're doing the blending lesson, think about how many syllables. You can even clap the syllables. With your hands, you can clap how many syllables, and then you can easily count the syllables as you are doing the clapping. So lady, lady, shady, shady, able, able, table, table, stable, stable, begin, 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 baby, baby, 2 syllables there. In, tin, tiny, tiny, lab, lab, able, label, rub, rub, ruby, ruby, music, music, paper, both. Remember the TH sound. You need to bring your tongue up to the top of your roof of your mouth, and you push up when you say find, right. IGH makes the long vowel I. Shy. There's another long vowel I. Maybe. Joyful. Kindly. Daisy. Unable, not able to do it. Unable. Unzip. Undo. Redo. Rewrap, to wrap it again. Relax, to take it easy. Let's move on to the sentences. Jason sleeps in a cozy hutch, period. Capital in the beginning, and marks at the end. Julie was not able to find him, period. Now, Julie was not able to find him. Not able, we can easily say, that we can use unable to find him to replace not able, right? Because unable and not able is same meaning. It's basically the same meaning, right? All right, that concludes our blending lesson today. Thank you so much for doing the blending with me. As always, practice, and practice. Take care, everyone.